Yeah. This is what I want, yeah. This is what I want, yeah. This ain't what you want, yeah. This ain't what you want, yeah. This ain't what you want, yeah. I'm the one they want, yeah. I'm the one they want, yeah. I'm the one they want, yeah. Paint a vivid picture, feeling like Picasso on a paper chase. I'm a young Pablo, spark trees like a pyro, just to get high and see where I go. Yeah, I know, gotta be mindful. Lead not follow, disciples, destroy all rivals. Sorry for the things I don't have time for. I'm working while you snore, busting down the door, just to get more, cause we never had enough. Add it up, I need a little plus. Life's a little mush, a lot of buds try but don't make the cut. Pain hurts deep, knife straight to the gut. I just got stuck, run if you wanna test your luck. Hop out the truck, duck, don't tell them what I do when I get in the crunch. Munch, devour all the lunch, sipping double cups, got some lean in the punch. Hurts when I punch, never see it but when it lands, leave your whole body sitting in the crunch. I ain't tryna front, but I'm coming through the front. Get it by any means to live how I want, yeah. This is what 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 I want, yeah. This ain't what you want, yeah. This ain't what you want, yeah. This ain't what you want, yeah. I'm the one they want, yeah. I'm the one they want, yeah. I'm the one they want, yeah.
Talk to the beat, free. My lyrics go deep, deeper than a psychic sleep. With this one, I'm living on the actual plane. We all want love, but the love ain't the same. Looking at the new year, coming with the pain. Got a fuck nigga in the White House, man. Giving tax cuts to the motherfucking rich. They don't even need it on some billion-dollar shit. Why the poor people gotta get it out the mud? This is what I want, yeah, this is what I want. This is what I want, this is microphone plug. I'm a motherfucking star boy, no love. Seek to manifest with the text, I'm a flex. Heartburn to your chest, leave a hot burn in your vest. Nigga, who's next? This is what I want, I call it fresh.
Yeah. Optimistic, Ranger go for distance. Listen, pay attention, it's already encrypted. Clear view when I'm looking through the vision. Dom K, yeah, that's my only competition. Man on the mission. Every time we get together, head on collision. Little knucklehead that broke out the detention. Never follow script cause I had my own vision. Came from nothing, that's why I was driven. Decisions, taking advantage of the gift I was given. Human to a monster, I'm in a whole new dimension. Sick with no prescription, explicit parental advision. I see y'all hating, but it don't make a difference. Talking down on me because your life ain't different. While I made the change to get the change, now I got enough for commission. And you are not committed, admit it. Ask me what I want, I tell you why I did it. Description, I fit it. My life, I just live it. The flow, some logistics. Feed off statistics. Silence all the critics that said I wasn't the realest. Now they're stuck in line, cussing out on the real list. All I want is real shit. All I want is real shit.